All right. So first of all, hi. My name is Daniel. I'm originally from Munich in Germany, but I just moved to Boston, as you can see with the two flags behind me. So I sort of finished this course at the birthplace of CS50, which is kind of cool. And to be honest, also put some pressure on me to finally finish it, because I started a year ago. Now my project is called iShare, and the general idea behind it is that I feel that owning stuff it's kind of annoying because you always have to take it everywhere. And also, I felt like when I moved into my own first flat, buying a hammer, buying a screwdriver, or also like then buying like a lawnmower feels kind of stupid when every household has one for their own. So I thought like I could create a place where people could offer to share theirs, and also if you were searching for something, you could just go there and ask if someone had it. So yeah, that's the basic idea. Now, from a tech perspective, I build on the fundamentals which we learned in the course, meaning that I used SQLite 3 for the database to store everything, and then for the controller, I used Python, and then obviously CSS and Bootstrap HTML for the design of the website. However, I just did not purely stick to what we already knew, but I sort of extended on that, looking into new functions such as enumerate for Python. And in Bootstrap, I looked at cards, for example, to like get the layout right of the website and like get it to look at least decently good and not ugly. It's obviously not the best, but I feel overall it's fully functional. I haven't found any bugs, and yes, so I'm very happy to be able to do such a thing now, given the fact that prior to the course, I didn't even know what binary was. I never wrote a real line of code, and now I can do this, which I feel is pretty cool. And obviously, I'm also extremely thankful for the opportunity to take such a course for free. Yeah, so that's that. And now I will give you a quick tour of the website, just to give you like a brief idea of what it can do. Now, as you can see, this is the landing page. You can create an account, or you can log in, create an account, just a basic form, as you know from other websites. So we're gonna log right in here. Now this is my username, and now it takes you to the feed. So yeah, if you click here on the feed, it will take you to the site. And what you can see here is various posts that other people posted, and you can also filter them by whether the people are offering or if they're searching for something, as well as whether it's about an object or a service. Now up here you can create a post. We're just going to take a look at this. Here you select offer search, and then you can say service or object, and here you just provide some data. What are you looking for? How long will you need it? Etc., so that the other users can get an idea of whether they can help you out or whether they have what you're looking for. And once you post it to the feed, you're taken back to the feed and you see yours and other people's posts. Now, what I also find pretty cool, what I'm proud of, that's what I was going to say, is the My Post section, um, which basically you see all your posts, but you also see the inactive ones. And because obviously, if you found what you were looking for, you don't need other people to see and respond to that anymore. You can also use the filters, and you can edit your posts, or you could also like deactivate an active one, or reactivate one that was previously deactivated. If for whatever reason you need it to be active again, you don't need to create it all over again. Um, yeah, and in my profile section, you can change your data, but that is also again pretty basic, and your password. Now, yeah, gonna log out, and that is pretty much it. So yeah, everything works, everything gets stored in the database, it's secure, and it was sort of fun to build this actually. And I just want to say thank you again to the entire CS50X team. And if you're not done with your course yet, I can only encourage you to keep going. It took me like over 12 months to actually finish it because I took a pretty long break in between. But in the end, it's absolutely worth it. You learn a lot, it's fun. And I think that it's really valuable skills for private life, but also in the workplace. Like it's already helped me tremendously, even when working with things such as Excel. Yeah, with that being said, this was probably my CS50, and I wish you all the best for yours. Cheers.